How to use Hopper app for flight. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can use Hopper app for flight. In order to book a flight or use Hopper app for flights, first of all, update your application and make sure that you also have an account. So then to begin with, launch your Hopper application. After that, you'll be able to see multiple tools right on top. So select flights. Once you select flight, you'll be able to see three different options right on top, that is round trip, one way, multi-city. Select the trip accordingly, and after that you need to go ahead and enter in your current location where you're actually taking the flight from. So I'm just gonna select the nearby, and you also need to select the destination. After you've done that, you'll need to select the departure date, that is when you're actually leaving or when you actually want the flight to be booked. So you can see according to the color there is the price range as well. So select the month first of all. After that you'll be able to see the dates that's available for booking a flight. So select the date accordingly, and you'll need to click on select this date. Once done, you'll need to scroll down a bit and go to details. After that you need to enter in the details of the traveler. If you are only one person, just type in one, and if you have many, then tap on the pencil shape icon and just go ahead and tap on the plus icon in order to increase the members. Accordingly, tap on the apply button, scroll down a bit, go to include basic fares and all that, and click on the search button. Now you'll be able to see the flights that will be available on this particular date. If not, then tap on change date, which is right at the bottom, and make sure to change the date. So once you've done that, on the other interface you'll be able to see the available flights. So all you need to do is just categorize it by the prices. If you find a reasonable flight, then book that just by tapping on it, and after that you'll be asked to do some confirmations and just provide in your ID and all that. Once you've done that, you've successfully booked your flight, and you're also receiving a confirmation stating that the flight has been booked and that you actually need to show it on to the airport. So that's how you can use Hopper app for flights. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.